أهلا وسهلا. Right now we're going to talk about الجملة الاسمية. Which is one of the basic sentence patterns in Arabic. Ismiya is a nisba adjective from the word ism, which means a noun or name in Arabic. You've probably said, Ana ismi, so-and-so. Simply put, a jumla ismiya is one that begins with a noun or a pronoun. And this is a structure that we're going to see all the time in both formal and spoken Arabic. So, some examples, we could say, أختي تعمل في بنك. My sister works at a bank. Or فاطمة تسكن في بيت كبير. Fatima lives in a big house. Or أنا مصري. I am Egyptian. Or القاهرة مدينة كبيرة. Cairo is a big city. Or هم مشغولون. They are busy. So we can express a lot of different ideas using جملة اسمية. Notice something here that أختي تعمل في بنك and فاطمة تسكن في بيت كبير both have verbs. They do have verbs in them, but they're جمل اسمية because they begin with these nouns, right? أختي, فاطمة. These last three sentences don't have conjugated verbs because in Arabic, to be is implied in simple jumal ismiya like this, right? Ana, Masri, I, Egyptian, and the M is implied. We don't need to conjugate a verb to get there, right? Now, as we use jumal ismiya, they're going to get longer and more complicated, hopefully, as our abilities improve. So it's going to be useful to know how to analyze them. And the basic way in which a jumla ismiya is divided into the subject and the predicate, what we call in Arabic al-mubtada and al-khabar. Al-mubtada is the subject and al-khabar is the predicate. You probably know the word akhbar, maybe from an expression like shu akhbarak, akhbarak e, right? It's from the same root as news, the same kind of news that we watch on TV. Akhbar, al-khabar. So al-khabar is the new information. And we want to identify, just so we understand these sentences, and it's going to be useful as the sentences get longer, we want to be able to identify where the mubtada is and where the khabar in the sentence occurs. So we're going to look in a sentence with no verb, we can look for where the is, so to speak, right? Ana Masri, where would that to be, that conjugated form of to be? We've decided that it's here, so that means that Ana is al-mubtada and Masri is going to be al-khabar. Here, for example, al-Qahira Medina Kabira. Where's the is? Why should we care about al-Qahira? What's the information that's being given to me? طيب, al-Qahira, the name of the city, and Medina Kabira That's what's being told to me, right? That's why I should care about why our subject is being mentioned in the first place. Let's use red to be consistent. Al-Khabar, Medina Kabira. Notice that in all three of these cases, the khabar is indefinite, right? We're adding kind of a descriptor where that information is a big city. Hum mashghulun, they are busy. Al-Khabar, that's our news. That's why we care. In these first two sentences, Al-Khabar, once again, is the information that's being given, right? Fatima is our subject, al-mubtada, and Taskun fi Bayt Kabir is the information that's being given about her.